Book Belong Pikinini is a wonderful program which is perfectly aligned with the strategy of the bank. We have to give the children the opportunity to learn, and learn at a very, very young age. You have a country in which 50% of the population are 19 and under, and only 15% of the population work in the real economy. So the challenges in terms of education, of inclusion, are enormous. We are looking to support 7 new Book Belong Pikinini libraries around Papua New Guinea, and we're sort of trying to promote the more remote towns and regions because they have more difficult access to getting to books and for education. Well, our contribution to the 7 libraries is not just covering the cost. Of course, there is an ongoing contribution to make sure that they operate. The biggest challenge in countries like Papua New Guinea and elsewhere is execution. So you can donate your money, but to have the confidence that there is a team that's managing it, that have their heart and soul into this program and are out there making sure they operate in a professional manner and you're getting value. These children will be the future clients of the bank, and of course if they are encouraged to be educated and to learn, one would hope they come to have a very bright and fruitful future. And when you go to a Book Belong Pikinini and you see how beautiful the children are, the hope that's in their eyes and in their smiles, it is an extremely moving experience for anyone who comes to these types of projects.